Hi guys, welcome to my live video. And it's Friday night live. Friday night live numerology analysis. I feel super cool right now. I feel like super tech savvy. Hi guys, hi everyone. Is there a competition going on Facebook? Is there a competition on Facebook of who said hello first? There usually is. Hi everyone, welcome to my live video. This is Sheelaa Bajaj, and for those of you who are tuning in for the first time, I'm a numerologist, I'm a tarot card reader, I'm a Feng Shui master. Hi Cheryl, hi there. Okay, today is special because today for the first time I'm going live on my YouTube channel for the first time, and I'm sort of, this camera is so awful. Okay, so how does it go? I know it's so disgusting. The camera is really horrible. No, it's fine, you can be like that. So hi guys, so how does the drill go? You look so fresh even at this time, Meghna. Thank you. I just did a fifth dimensional healing session. For those of you who don't know what it is, fifth dimensional is the Rolls Royce of all healing, and it is a very, very intense session. So a lot of people opt for it, and the healing is done for different things at different times of the month. So people opt for it for nazar, for drishti, for prosperity, for physical healing, emotional healing, mental healing, and all of that. I am on Instagram, Sameer. I definitely am on Instagram, unless it's someone else's account. No, it's my account, I'm pretty sure. I am on Insta. I have people on Insta right here. I can see Access Accounting. I can see like the people have joined in. Yeah. Okay, Rima says you always come online late. Is this time auspicious for you? Darling, I'm not a morning person. I'm horrible. I'm very khadus in the morning. So the only time I kind of come alive is in the evening. Then I work out, then I eat dinner, then I finish my healing. I have a whole bunch of work in the evening. And then I get time at this time. So there's no auspicious or inauspicious. It's just that I'm a night person, that's all. And I have a lot of people who tune in from different countries. So I feel like the night birds. And yes, my camera is horrible on YouTube. It is awful. It is awful. Should I just shut it off? It's so sad that the people on YouTube have to bear with such a horrible camera. Yeah, it is awful. Hi from Philippines. Okay, there are so many people there on YouTube. I don't want to like deprive them. I'll just delete that video, I think, a little later. Maybe I'll get a different instrument. I love this time in USA. See? A lot of people from different time zones tune into this video. So today what are we going to do? We're going to do numerology live, and we're going to talk about, we're going to do analysis of your date of birth, your numbers, your name, your money element. What is your money element? Earth, fire, water, wood, metal, which one of them is your money element? How do you use your money element? Your money element is used in, how long do you sleep in a day? I sleep 7 hours. I'd love to sleep 8 hours, but I sleep 7. So your money element helps you choose what element you do business with or what you carry with you, and you use that to make money for your advantage. How do you make your energy stronger? You use your money element for that. Okay, so better you be live on Facebook. Yes, darling, I am live on Facebook, and I have a lot of top fans suddenly on Facebook. Yes, I'm like an owl. Yes, Sandra, I'm like an owl. So someone says hi from, suddenly I lost the, okay, yeah. Preeti Hamid says, afternoon, I'm watching from USA. Awesome. So yeah, we have a lot of global, but you know, all the people on YouTube, I'm going to suggest that if you're on Facebook, go and like my page on Facebook. And Facebook is a lot more clearer. This camera is really horrible. So if you want to shift to Facebook, that's better. So how does it go? You Havi Arora says, did you have your favorite mango shake? I did not ask anything, but I keep listening to you. So sweet. Yeah, so wow, you still manage to sleep well. Yes, I do. I do manage to sleep well. Okay, so share this on all your groups, guys. If you're a sharer, I'm likely to take your question. And if you're a top fan and a sharer, then I choose one of you, because now there are many of you. I choose one of you to do the money element for. Alright, I have Shian to assist me. He does all of the money element and the element charts. He does them for me, and I kind of check them and I kind of add to it whatever he's missed out. So Shian is awesome. Shian's my elder son. He just finished his 10th grade, and he knows this at the back of his hand. Like uske liye all this is very normal stuff. Like how other children learn other stuff, my kid knows most of what I do. So share this on all your groups, guys. And if you're a sharer, I'm likely to take your question. I have lots of people sending me questions, but none of you are sharers, unfortunately. So, and make sure that you like this page. If you haven't liked the page, then you don't get to be a top fan. You don't get to be a sharer also, I think, if you haven't liked the page. So go back to the page and like it. So, okay, who's the first person that I'm taking today? Savitri, Hala, Harvi, you're not a sharer and a top fan. So darling, you'll have to be a sharer. Share this on all your groups. If you're not a part of any group, join those groups, share them, and then you get a chance to get a reading. Okay, Komal Grover. Awesome. Let's see what your numerology says for you, alright? I'm going to do your name analysis, Komal. Okay, seems like your name is causing a lot of gadbad in your life, a lot of struggle and strife. 24th, 6th, 1979. And a lot of up and down, and I see a lot of, like, your life right now for you is a roller coaster ride, and it seems like some planets in your date of birth and your name are sort of clashing. Like there's an India-Pakistan war. And I also see a lot of wasteful expenditure. I also see a lot of wasteful energy. जैसे आपका energy waste हो रहा है. So I would suggest, Komal, you get a name correction done. You're for sure a clear-cut name correction case. Clear-cut name correction case. Shian, can you evaluate the money element for 24th June 1979? And 1:35 a.m. Thank you, Sneha. I love my hair color too. She says she loves my hair color. Thank you. Harleen Kaur. She's a top fan, but you're not a sharer, darling. Share this on all your groups, and then I'm likely to take your question. Komal. Yes, 1979. 24th June 1979. Yeah. 21 days, 20 days after me. Female. Komal is female. Shian's asking me some silly questions.
Self-element water means wealth element is fire.
Ooh, we are the same. So, Komal, your self element is water, which means your wealth element is, or money element is fire. So, if your money element is fire, then you need to carry a lot of red on you. So, my best recommendation is wear red chaddis. Alright? Sandra says, I would like my money element, please. Jump onto Facebook, Sandra, and make sure that you are on Facebook. Like the page. Sheelaa M Bajaj is the name of the page. Jump in on Facebook, share this on all your groups, and then I'm likely to take your question. Okay. Darling, you can't share it on WhatsApp groups. You have to share it on Facebook groups. My date of birth is 4th of June. Somebody's asking me that. That's why I'm saying it. Okay, so that was for Komal. And does she have any missing elements? Anything missing? Earth, fire, water, wood, metal? Okay, so basically your self element is water, just like mine. So basically blue is one of your lucky colors. Wear a lot of blue. You can't carry around water and go anywhere in your environment. One of the things that we also tell people whose self element is water is you can activate the north sector. You activate the north sector of your house with blue, put blue curtains, put blue something, put blue rug, put a blue wallpaper, put anything blue in your north. Have a lot of blue around you basically, like use blue sheets or use blue pillow covers, and a lot of red. Carry a red bag, like make sure your handbag is red, and this makes a world of difference. I can tell you this, my money element is fire, and I have a red car. And it was not easy because like when I was picking a car, I wasn't finding the right color, and I ended up choosing also a car that had the right red. So, and I'm very particular about the red that I get. It shouldn't be the maroon red. Like right now my curtains look like the maroon color because of the lighting, I think, but it's actually like a blood red color. So Samir says, feels so good to see all your top fans again on your live. But why aren't you a top fan, Samir? You should be top wala top fan. Do you only take questions for top fans? No, I take questions for top fan and sharers. They get priority. Okay, so money element can activate money in your life, and it is one of the most amazing things. Now when you go in for when you contact my office and go in for a element chart or an element report, you get a lot of details in that. You get to know what phase in life your money phase comes in. So let's say there are 5 years in between where you're going through your money period. Like mine, I think starts from my birthday for another 5 years. I go through my money period. So if you have a money period in your life, you will, that is kind of revealed in your chart. But it takes a long time to do that. It is not straightforward. It can't be done on a Facebook live video. You get to know when your money period will start and when it will end. You are asking everyone their birth date? You have a cake shop? I would love to have a cake shop. Facebook is considering me underrated, that's why maybe. Samir, you were not even looking like a sharer earlier. Abhi to sharer dikh rahe ho. Okay, so I'm looking at the next top fan and sharer. Quickly send your message, guys. Make sure you send me your time of birth. Agar time of birth nahi bheja, Martha says my hair is very beautiful. Look like monkey. Just like look like monkey. Thank you. That is so sweet of you. I'm willing to receive a compliment, guys. It doesn't matter. I mean, seriously. Someone says I actually look like a monkey. Interesting. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna block this guy. He's talking rubbish. Yes, I know you ask every day. Claire Hookins, you can send me your question. I will do your numerology analysis. Claire Hookins, send me your date of birth. Make sure that every message of yours has everything in it. Your date of birth, time of birth, so that I'm able to evaluate everything. Alright? And top fan plus sharers get to know their money element. Top fan and sharers. Reshmi Dasgupta, you're not a sharer, darling. Make sure you share this on all your groups, on your profile. Spam your friends' pages, your family ka pages, I don't know. Okay, so the next person that I'm looking at is... Your hair has the curl look today, which I'm sure you will notice during the video. Yeah, I can see the curl. I can see the wave. I can see the wave. Okay, I'm looking for the next person for the money element and the numerology analysis. But I'm not finding anyone who's a top fan and a sharer. Quickly share this video, guys. And I keep telling everyone, you are beautiful and monkey guy is a joker. Of course I know it. Like, I think like we all know how we look. I think we just modest. And I think modesty is overrated. Like people when they tell me that, Sheelaa, you're amazing, I say, yeah, I know. Like we all need to know how amazing we are. Okay, I'm still searching for a person who's a top fan and a sharer. Basically, we need to be a spammer to be a sharer. Yes, Samir, you got it right. You need to be a spammer to be a sharer. And if you spam people, then you be a sharer, then you get your reading here. So, what was I saying? What was I saying, guys? Weak men try to pull strong women. We find them everywhere. Ignore them. Yes, of course, I know that. Like, you know, sometimes people will just say crap just to get noticed. And like, Buddhu, no, I just read the first sentence. Like, I read hair and I got so excited. I should have just ignored that guy who said the monkey thing. But then, you know what we do? When people troll, we give them more power when, you know, we kind of notice them. And that's why they end up then sending more messages. So, and a lot of times, you know, like I was talking about modesty, right? Okay, I'll come back to modesty. I should talk about modesty. You know, people use modesty as a way to, you know, kind of push things away. It's like when someone gives you a compliment, you somewhere deep down think no good of yourself. Like, we all have this impression that I'm not good enough, I'm not okay. So the biggest judgment that you're actually facing is yourself. Now, when someone compliments you, you know, you use modesty as a way to like kind of push it away and say, I don't want it. You know, so you're like, no, aisa nahi hai. No, bilkul nahi. You know, I'm nothing like that. It's not like my hair is looking beautiful. What rubbish. If someone says you're amazing, I say, yeah, I know. And people find that so weird when someone says, Sheelaa, you're amazing. And I say, yeah, I know. And someone says, Sheelaa, you know, you're amazing. Like, you're gorgeous. And I say, yeah, I know. So, you know, we all need to kind of love ourselves, guys. You're not going to, like, you can't be waiting with one bikhari ka katora that someone's going to come and give you love and, you know, whatever in khairat, okay? First of all, if you don't have that honoring for yourself or that love or that wowness for yourself, that yumminess for yourself, you're not going to receive it from anyone else. And, okay. I'm waiting for the next person who's a top fan and a sharer so that I can do my phone's going teda. Okay, hold on. Okay. Thank you guys for all the people who said my aura is amazing. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna do a numerology name analysis for a sharer. The next person that I'm taking is Kushal, because I can't keep waiting for a top fan and sharer. So I'm gonna just find Kushal. Hold on. You're number 5, June. Oh, it seems like something with Geminis. Anyway, our birthday month is coming up. My birthday month is coming up. So you're a number 5 and 2, and that's a crazy combination to have. On one hand, a number 2 being this real crazy softy and this emotional whatever person, and on the other hand 5 being the super dominating person. Like, oh my god, what a khatarnak combination. Like, do you shunt between the two identities of you, you know, like Dr. Jekyll and Miss Hyde? I think like people who have these two personalities of like being a softy, being a perfectionist, I think you struggle somewhere within yourself. Like you're you know, you're I don't know, like schizophrenic from within. So that's what's going on with your date of birth. Let's check what your name is doing with regard to your date of birth. Okay, I'm evaluating your name, and no. Okay, your name is causing a lot of ups and downs and mood swings, Kushal. All right, a lot of mood swings. So I'm gonna suggest that you get your name corrected for sure. I also see some kind of danger with regard to, I don't know, like, do you fall sick, or do you have like, you know, do you waste a lot of money? Do you have a lot of enemies? Do you have people who like conspire against you? Do you have that going on? And I'm not getting a message from Kushal. Please tell me what's going on. Shivani says, if all the ladies are as bold as you are, then life would be so different. I agree. But you know, I was not so bold. There was a time in my life I became really, really fattu. You know, really, really fattu. So I guess we all have times. And then again, I rose like a phoenix. I think we all think, I don't know, we have some screwed up thing in our subconscious mind. Like, I think I have to like, pata nahi, behave. I have to compromise. I have to do this, be a doormat, and all of that shit. I think we all end up having that. I didn't forget Instagram. It's just that I end up focusing on Facebook more. Look at the odds, guys. Instagrammers. You guys don't share anywhere. And Facebook people share kahin kitne jagah mein, hai na? So share it on all your friends, whatever message. I know there's this arrow, you can share it. Spam them. Spam, spam, spam. Come on, guys. Spam people. Okay. So Kushal, I'm gonna say that you need to get, yeah, there's a lot of money expense. Kushal says, thank you for replying and thank God I saw his message. People pleasing is the most dangerous thing. Yes, a lot of people have become people pleasers. And you know what? Number 4s are so famous for it. So famous for it. And we have problems saying no. Like, I grappled with all of that. I'm telling you guys, honest to God, I was my first testimonial with numerology. Such me. I was my first testimonial. If I could fix me, I can fix anyone. If I could fix me, such me. Like, if I could fix me, I could fix anyone. Preet Conversati. Yes, you're a top fan and a sharer. So awesome. Been posting my date of birth. Abhi to take up my case. Cool. Okay, wait. Bhag mat jana. Shian, just check money element. 22nd of November 1986. I'm loving this lockdown. Like, I get to do so many live videos and I sit at home. Earlier I used to do it from my office. Now I've just found a little niche in my room and I do my live videos. फर्क क्या पड़ता है? I know, like, we sometimes have this impression in our head कि नहीं कर सकते. 1986, 22nd November 1986, 11:28 a.m. Oh. Someone on Instagram sent me my own live video. Female. Preet is female. Yeah. Cool. Hold on. Wait. Okay, so what is the element? Okay, so Preet, your self element is metal, and even I'm both. Okay, yeah. Reena, yes, I know you're both. Hold on. Ruko. Okay, so your self element is metal, so which means your money element is wood. All right. Does she have any missing elements? Anything missing?
No.
Missing. Oh, Janki says a whole bunch of likes. Suddenly, ऐसे boom, ऐसे balloon के जैसे आया. Okay, so you don't have any missing elements. So you have a well-balanced chart. It's a yin and yang, yin or yang. Yin is less. So basically, you have very less yin energy. So which means your yang is maybe a little more. Preet. Oh, Preet is male. Sorry. ऐसे कैसे हो गया गलती? Change it.
The thing is the same for male also.
Okay, just the time periods will be different, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. We are not looking at your life chart in this. So which means there is a longer thing which we look at your age. Like 45 to 50, 55 to 60, 65 to 70, क्या होने वाला. Like, is it a good phase, negative phase, like that. So Preet is a guy. Okay? Sorry यार, it just like confuses. और मैं इतना देख नहीं सकती. Actually मैं चश्मा पहनती हूँ, पता है? तो मैं आपका फोटो इतना देख नहीं सकती, तो confuse हो गया. Sorry, Dimple and Twinkle and Preet. Boy girl का नाम हो जाता है, mistake. So yes, I'm looking different. Today, when I had my shower, I just put my hair like that and I just let it dry like that. And then it dried into this wave. And I said, "Aaj mere baal bilkul अच्छे हैं, baby." So Preet, your self element is metal. So wear a lot of metal. Wear a metal kada. Okay, invest in metal. Invest in wood. So which means any business that you do related to wood will be super lucky for you, will bring you a lot of money. I can say this, like I can tell you this because I've tried it myself. Any business that you do, is low. Okay, your self element is low, which means you need to wear metal. Preet, make sure that you wear metal. It seems like you do not probably get enough sleep, Preet. I'm thinking you don't get enough sleep or you're very restless.
That's on both.
Hmm?
It's on both.
It's on both? Kya?
The heavenly and all these.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, you mean
Sonal Patel, yeah, you are amazing. I think thanks to COVID-19 got me connected to Sheelaa's Numerology. Started watching you for the past 2 weeks. They're making me continue watching them. I think it's the positivity that's contagious. Thank you, Sonal. Sonal. Mansi, there are a lot of people, but you never know who I'm gonna pick, darling. You never know. So, yes, I wear chashma. Shian, get my chashma. I want to wear it on my live video. I'm gonna wear my chashma on my live video, and I think it'll match with this, with the yellow. I have yellow chashmas. See, I wish I could have got red chashma, but Shian took the red chashma when we were figuring out who should wear what chashma. This is my chashma look. My chashma is not clean. See, that shows I don't wear it. So I'm gonna clean my chashma on a live video with my top. Yes, we all do it, but we all like to pretend that we don't do it. But I do it, and I don't care if you judge me. कि लाइव वीडियो पे अपने टॉप के साथ उसने साफ किया. सब करते हैं बॉस, सब करते हैं. देखो कैसे लगती हूँ. आपको ये लाइट दिखाई दे रहा है ना, जो मेरे फोन के पीछे है. सी सडनली आई लुक ऑल सीरियस. अभी मैं आपका भविष्यवाणी देखूंगी. This looks better. This gives me that feeling of like I look better. Okay, cool. Okay, no jokes, guys. Come on, get serious now. I'm wearing chashma now, so I can see what Preet looks like. Preet, I can see you properly now. Oh my God, we have bad network connection. We have bad network. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we don't have bad network. We have very good network now. Very, very good network. All right. Okay, I'm gonna take off the glasses. I don't really need them. So, Preet, I'm gonna look at your numerology. What was Preet's date of birth, Shian? I forgot.
22nd November 1986.
Preet, your date of birth, you're a number 4 and 3 combination, which means that your number 3 is really good. People who are ruled by Jupiter are really, really amazing. They have intelligence, they have, they learn a lot, and they're gifted basically. You're sorted, you're gifted. Jupiter's a good guy, he will always bless you. Number 3s have nothing to worry about, okay, unless you're kind of hanging around with your enemies, okay. And some numerologists don't look at that, but I do. You're also a number 4, Preet, which is a troublemaker. You have trouble saying no. आप हमारी बिरादरी के हैं कि आपको ना बोलना आता नहीं है. मैं भी number 4 हूँ. और like I said, I was my first testimonial. So Preet, do you have that issue? I forgot his full name now. Yeah, Preet what? Amita says our top fan badge is missing. मैंने नहीं लिया है boss आपका top fan badge. मैंने नहीं लिया. कोई भी नहीं ले सकता. ये फेसबुक देता है और फेसबुक ही ले लेता है. Thank you guys who saying I'm looking beautiful. You look cute like a college going girl. Wow, smart. Where is Preet? कहाँ है Preet? Someone help me, yeah. Sameer or Janki, help me. Help me find Preet and pin the message if you can. Okay, I can't find it. I can't find. Preet Kanwar se thi. Okay, got it. Okay, your name needs a correction because you're moving 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. And your name is not in sync with your date of birth. So I'm going to suggest that you get a name correction ASAP. Alright? Preet. ASAP. I usually end up seeing that 90 to 95% of the people need a name correction. 95% of the people. It's very rare that your name does not need a correction. And sometimes when a name comes to me, it's just okay, like some Khatara engine, you know, like Maruti 800 type. God, I hope I don't get sued by them. Okay, some Khatara engine, some 800cc or some 500cc engine, okay? No, not Khatara. I didn't say anything about any car being Khatara. I'm just saying 500cc engine. I don't know, I don't get sued. So, say 500cc engine, pakad lo, theek hai? So, 50cc, yeah, 50cc engine. 500 is, I'm giving benefit of doubt, Shian. So, 500cc engine, I see. I'm not going to let it be, because how can I be, like, you've come to Sheelaa M Bajaj, okay? You're not gone to some, like, junior weekend Google numerologist, you know, जो weekend में पढ़ के numerologist पढ़ के आपका वो करता है. So, that's the reason I would, you know, I would do a name correction. So, अगर आपका 500cc engine है, मेरा job है उसको थोड़ा change करना. So, I don't settle for, like, I would tell the person, see, you have Khatara engine, you're just going fat like you're sitting on a fatfati, and you know, my job is to change it. So I've noticed that 95% of the people who come actually end up needing a change. Okay, people ask me how to take badge. मुझे नहीं पता boss, ये badge का चक्कर मुझे नहीं पता क्योंकि Facebook figure out करता है. Okay, let's see the next person who's a sharer and a top fan. Guys, share this on all your groups and then I'm likely to take your question. Pallavi Srivastava. Do you want anything to be read for you, Pallavi? She's also a top fan and a sharer. Okay, Rashmi Kanike, you're the next person I'm reading for. Okay, I'm reading for your husband Bhanu Prakash. He's 21, June. What's with June? I feel like there's some connection because I'm a Gemini. My birthday is coming. My birthday is coming, guys. June 4th. I'm going to be celebrating it in lockdown. Yeah, we are still going to be sitting in lockdown, by the way. Reality check. We are still going to be sitting in lockdown. खुश हो जाओ ये lockdown के साथ आदत डाल दो. People are going to give up their offices. Okay, you're a 3 and 3 combination, or Bhanu Prakash is a 3 and 3 combination, which is awesome. Which is very, very nice, all right? If he is not in business, उसको धक्का मारो बोलो, पैर के साथ धक्का मार के बोलो, जाओ business करो. Because, you know, people who are like number 1, 3, 5, they should be in business. 1, 3 and 5 people, they have business in their blood. Like you take one test tube of their blood and you test it, 1, 3, 5 and 6 people, you should be doing business. If somebody hasn't told you that, then I'm telling you. 1, 3 and 5 people. So basically if you're a birth number 1, 3, 5 or 6. No. 1, 3, 5, not 6, sorry. If you're 1, 3 or 5, for sure you should be doing business. Alright? And even if you're a life path number 1, 3, 5, you should be doing business. For sure. If you take one test tube of your blood and test it, it will say business, business, business. But for me also it does say that because I'm a Sindhi. And you know, I'm very proud of being Sindhi. I love my dal pakwan. Have you guys ever eaten dal pakwan? Lots of people are very ashamed of like being Malayali or being Sindhi or being Gujarati or being something. You know, they try to hide behind it. Like I'm so proud being Sindhi because, you know, people have to go to like business school to study business. I was born with it. Like Shian was born being a healer. I was born being in business. Okay, Bhanu Prakash. I'm not very happy with your name. PR. Okay, I'm not very happy with your name. I would say your engine is like a 1000cc engine. So I can't really tell you go and get it changed, upgrade. I mean, if you're happy with a 1000cc engine, go ahead. You know, deal with it. I wouldn't say it's a burning issue for you to get a name correction done. But you could definitely get a name correction to enhance your numerology. So Rashmi Kanike, for your husband, he doesn't need a correction. But if he does get a correction, it would be for enhancement and not for correction of a problem. It's like, say, numerology works for two things. Alright, when you go to a numerologist or a tarot card reader or a therapist, like when you come to our center, we have over 10 consultants doing different things. So one category of people that come are people who have a problem. It's like going to a doctor and you have a disease. Okay, you have a problem. So the doctor fixes it for you, gives you medicine, antibiotic, antiviral, whatever, surgery, ye, wo, kuch bhi karke, they fix the disease. And the second category of people go with a deficiency. Okay, so in our case, and then the doctor gives you supplements to fill that deficiency. So similarly, when people come to us, the one category of people that come to us are people who have a problem and we have to sort of sort out that problem. The second category of people who come are people who don't have a problem, but they want to enhance their life and their luck. They want to create more in their life, and that's also where we fit in. All right, and so Bhanu Prakash falls under that enhancement category, and it's all right to keep visiting people who kind of contribute to your life and take it to the next level. And if any of you want to do that, all right, it's not necessary कि सिर्फ पैसे देके you buy something tangible. Listen to my podcasts. Just because it's free, it doesn't mean it's not valuable. Yeah? Seriously, just because it's free, just because there are meditations available free on YouTube, it doesn't mean it's not valuable, guys. But most times when something's given free, we don't have like a value to it. We really don't value something that's free. Think about it. I recently saw a video. I follow Nas daily and he is amazing. Like, his videos are really amazing. There was this one video where he talks about his, there's an apartment that he owns, and he thought he wanted people to experience the culture, so he gave it away for free. I mean, not gave it away, for people to come and live there for free. I'm going to share that video link on my Facebook. And he says that the whole apartment was booked out for 1 year, and later on he realized that there were more than 50% cancellations. Like, people were cancelled out for 6 months, and he says it was free. You didn't have to pay to go and stay in his apartment. So he said, because whenever something was given free, people didn't value it, and people didn't even call or bother to cancel because there was no price attached to it. So always remember that just because something is free, it doesn't mean it's not valuable. Start receiving from things that are free resources. Your world will expand to a level you cannot imagine. Okay, the next person, Harleen says, okay, I scrolled right to the bottom. Yes, Reena, Nas is great, as well as Isle. I don't know about Isle. I don't know. Is that some project, something? Exactly. We tend to take things for granted when it's free. It's only that when it's not there, we realize its importance. Absolutely. In fact, people also feel that when there's a price attached to it, there's kind of like an energy, sort of a value created, like, oh, this is must be really big, no? Like, if someone is charging a whole lot of money for something, you kind of automatically mentally put a value to it and say, oh, you know what, this must be really great. And maybe it is, but it's not that things that are free are not valuable. Okay, so the next person I'm taking is let's see who's next. Guys, Harleen says podcasts are really amazing, love listening to them. Thank you, Harleen. So anyone who wants to listen to my podcast, just go to iTunes, the podcast app, the purple color app, and just type personal development and you'll find my podcast on spot number 2. I'm so kicked about it, seriously. Like, I don't make money from it, neither. I mean, actually I pay money to keep it on there. I don't make money from it. Usually people, I think, who do podcasts, they like, have ads on it or something. Like, if you're at number 2 spot, then people kind of approach you for ads. I don't have any of that. I pay money to be on there because I find it very difficult to like coach people one-on-one. So I have that as a resource so that anyone and everyone can listen to it. Paul Priyanka says, Sheelaa, tried your tarot services. Ria was too good. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you for saying that. People, just be generous and share about a reading that you've ever done, or if you've done with anyone. Lots of gratitude to Sheelaa for sharing meditation. Your voice is too good. Thank you, Amita. Thank you. I always listen to podcasts. I visited Temple of Miracles. Yes, people, after the lockdown, come and visit the Temple of Miracles. I'm just at episode 3 in your podcast and I found myself back. You know, my motive is if anyone got any value from that podcast, I feel like, you know what, like I fulfilled some part of my purpose. Like my purpose is to reach like, I don't know, 1 billion people, like be on Ellen's show perhaps. You know, like, I don't know, like motivate people in masses. I'm not ignoring sharers. Been writing since 30 minutes. Sorry, darling. I'm trying to look for a top fan and sharer to do a money element reading for. Okay. Your life will change podcast. Okay. Mushkil se top fan bane. Darling, I'm doing a money element reading for top fan and sharers. People who are sharers are amazing because they're the ones who making the video like go all over the place. Okay, I don't have any more top fan and sharers. I'm going to wait till the end of the line. Whoever... Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, so cool. I'm waiting for top fan and sharers to do your money element reading. And lots of people are asking about the Temple of Miracles. It's the first Yoruba temple in India. For those of you who don't know what Yoruba is, it's a tradition from over 10,000 years old, and at the Temple of Miracles we do a daily candle service. All right, a candle service is like how you go to church and there's a candle service that happens. So there's a daily candle service for the deity Papa Elegua. All right, he's the deity of the crossroads, and then there are different deities there, but the main deity in our temple is Papa Elegua, and he's an amazing compassionate deity. People from all walks of life, all faiths, all religions, all faiths come there. I already said all faiths, sorry, repeating myself. And they come to the Temple of Miracles and they light a red candle there. That's the way that you honor Papa Elegua. Alright, and some people light a blue candle for manifesting a wish, green candle for money, green candle also for health, red candle for their career, black candle for banishing, black candle also for psychic attacks, black candle for opening roads. So anything that you want to get rid of in your life, you light a black candle. Anything that you want to bring into your life, like you want to manifest, a blue candle. And this candle service happens at the temple every day, but we have a special candle service on Mondays. Mondays are Papa Elegua's days, all right? And he is a very compassionate deity. People who have been jobless, people who have not had a child, people who have had crazy health issues, no job, crazy things have visited the temple, just lit a red candle. Like we've had cab drivers, we are on TripAdvisor, and we've just had like random people telling other people who don't know me, who don't know Sheelaa Bajaj, they've just visited the temple and they've lit a red candle and things have happened for them. Like one of my maids in the past, she had some money to get something, and then she put a prayer request, which was very difficult for her to get. It was something from the government, and she got it, some 1.5 lakhs. She got it, and she came and did a Thanksgiving. So basically, you write a prayer request, and when your wish is fulfilled or your prayer is answered or a door opens, then you come and do an offering. You actually triple your offering. So that's what a candle service is about. Anyone can participate. We have something which is called a cognito form done by one of the volunteers of the temple, and you could just, it's there on Facebook. I've posted it in the links below, and it's just pasted everywhere. You'll see it. It's a cognito form created by them. You fill it out, put a screenshot of the payment for your candle, and you submit it for the date that you want, and your candle will be lit. All right, we have volunteers, we have trustees. It's a non-profit. Anyone can do anything for the temple. If you just feel like serving Papa Elegua, you can, just contact our temple, contact our trustees, and you can be of help. You can handle social media. You can just talk about the temple on live videos. You can do anything. And yes, some people see him in meditation. Some people have had miracles happen in their life. Some people dream of him. And some people have just had their prayers answered. Some people smell his smell. The temple has a very peculiar smell, and sometimes you'll smell it in your house, you'll smell it in your room. Suddenly when his presence is around, you'll smell the temple. This temple is in Bangalore, in Koramangala, and it's in the same place where my office is. So anyone and everyone is welcome there. All right. So even during lockdown, we are actually open. Don't come in hordes of people. Just come ek ek karke. Sameer has posted the cognito forms for the service at the temple. Okay, cool. My friend did element with you. She got she got a job in a big company. I did bay leaf ritual on full moon day. Anisha Malhotra and husband something. My friend did element with you. She got a job in a big company. Wow. So she owes us a testimonial, Anisha. She definitely owes us a testimonial. Like your friend owes me a testimonial. You know, I have so many video testimonials on this page. You guys should actually scroll down and see. Cool. The next person that I'm gonna take is Anisha. Just because she had a testimonial to give me. I love it when people give me testimonials, you know. Feedback is what drives us. That's what makes us like this. So, okay. So Anisha, I'm gonna do your analysis. 11/3/1983. So you are a number 2 and 8, like a double whammy, all right? It's like, it feels like your 2 magnifies your 8, your 8 magnifies your 2. Each one is doing like having some running race with each other. And your 2 is definitely fueling your 8 because 8 is divisible by 2. So 2 makes 8 stronger. Some crazy thing. Okay, I'm going to see Anisha Malhotra. I'm going to check your name, darling. Do you fight with a lot of people or do you get misunderstood? Malhotra, H-O-T-R-A. You have hot in your name. How cool is that? Like you have hot in your name. Like I'm hot because I have hot. Okay, bad joke. Very, very bad joke. So your name is causing a lot of emotional. That was pathetic. That was so desperate. Chee. Bad standards. It's like sometimes your standards just dip to a rock bottom. Today is one of those rock bottoms because I haven't had my mango milkshake. And here it is, my mango milkshake. It's there. I work out, okay? I do 21 Surya Namaskars every day. So don't look at me like that. Don't put nazar on my mango milkshake. Okay, so Anisha Malhotra, you have some crazy planets that are doing crazy stuff here. You're basically an ICU case. I don't have anything else to tell you. You're an ICU case. You definitely need a name correction. All right. And your husband, I'm also going to do his analysis just for his date of birth. Because I don't even know his name. 4/12/1976. Your husband is also number 4. I'm going to suggest a name correction for him as well. Okay. And like I said, like you can just, any one of you who are wondering, does my name cause problem? Does my name cause havoc? Is it okay? Is it wow? Is it really, really bad? Is it toxic? Is it making me lose all my money? Get a name analysis, guys, to begin with. Call my office, sheelaa.com or 9900120034. Just call my office and get a name analysis. Like that's just the best way to move forward. And I love mangoes. How many people trip over mangoes? Like this is my favorite. It's actually the season I get most confused with. Because, you know, I hate the heat and I hate the summer, but I love the mangoes. So, very confusing time. It's actually not cold. It's become warm now. Somebody is calling me auntie. Please answer, auntie. What do I answer? I don't mind being called auntie. Like you see my grey hair here? Can you guys see my grey hair? I love my grey hair. You know, earlier when I used to go to my hairdresser, he used to like catch it like that and he wants to pull it out. And I said, Khabardar jo mera grey hair ko haath lagaya to. I love my grey hair, yeah? Like it is so awesome. Like every time I see more grey hair, I love it. Like I'm one of those people who'd go completely grey, you know? Like my mom is completely grey. You should see my mom. Has anyone seen my mom? I put her picture on Insta. What is the secret to mango milkshake every night? I have this really amazing cook who makes it for me. Earlier, Shian would make it for me. Mango milkshake helps you sleep better at night. I really don't know if it helps me sleep better, but I love Alfonso mango. Hi Sheila, please do analysis. I'm in need of a toxic relationship. For real? You're in need of a toxic relationship? I don't know how many people are honest enough to actually admit that they are in need of a toxic relationship. Guys, it's something that we normally automatically do because we're so twisted. Like हमारा दिमाग ऐसे खराब है ना, तो हम लोग toxic relationship के पीछे से भागते हैं. So I don't know, like if you're in need of a toxic relationship. That khabardar was so Sindhi. Yeah, I embrace my Sindhiness. Like I love it. The only thing I don't like about Sindhi is the koki. You know? Like it's the worst thing of Sindhi food. The best thing about Sindhi food is... Okay guys, whoever knows about Sindhi food, what is your favorite dish in Sindhi food? Mine is dal pakwan. Mine is dal pakwan. My son is calling you auntie. He's 15 years old, asking you questions since when? Okay, go ahead. Ask him to send me his question, darling. Okay, Vishal Budwani. Well, last time I'm gonna try. Hi, Sheelaa M Bajaj. I'm Vishal Budwani from Dubai. My date of birth is 24th of July. Oh, we got one Cancerian here. Cancerian, or are you on the cusp? I think you're on the cusp, aren't you, Vishal? मैं ऐसे पूछ रही हूँ जैसे वो बात करेगा वापस. 24th of July, 1984. Unfortunately, you're not a top fan yet, so you don't get to know your money element. But I'm still going to do your numerology, alright? Oh, you're saying a Sindhi like. So you think I'm going to do your reading because you're Sindhi? Rubbish. So 24th of July, but I just picked you because you just seemed like you were in a lot of whatever. So you're a number 8 and you're ruled by Saturn. Saturn can be really crazy. Your number 6 is awesome. You're ruled by Venus. Looking at your date of birth, I would say you need a correction, but let's look at your name. Yes, darling, you need a correction for sure. Your planets are playing havoc in your life. Budwani. Yeah, I would say you're 50-50. Like one part of your planets are like kicking your ass nicely, and the other part of your planets are like trying to save you and keep your head above water. But overall, you have like more negative planets than positive. So I'm going to suggest you need a correction. Yes, you need a correction. And I don't know if there's a lot of wasteful expenditure and there's a lot of work not happening in the last minute. There's also a lot of people misunderstanding you when you go to do something good. Vishal, that's for you. Okay, some people saying Sindhi Kadi. I don't know, Sindhi Kadi is not really my favorite, guys. Sindhi Kadi is just bleh. Koki and Sai Bhaji. Okay, Koki is also not one of my favorites, but my sister makes the most amazing Koki. So the only Koki I'll ever eat is my sister's Koki. My mom doesn't make great Koki at all. Sai Bhaji is good too. Yeah, it's like, it's okay. Dal Pakwan. Madhuri says Dal Pakwan. Yes, girl, you know about Dal Pakwan. Sindhi curry rice with methi and bundi. Okay, Chitra says, ma'am, I think she meant she's in a toxic relationship. I hope she's not looking for a toxic relationship, but neither do I hope that she's in a toxic relationship. मुझे ना अभी दाल पकवान खाने को मन कर रहा है. कोई बनाता नहीं है मेरे घर में. I had a school friend, Vandana, who made dal pakwan for me. Oh my god, she made the best dal pakwan on this planet. I don't know if she's watching this live video. I don't think she ever watches my live video, but she worked with me for a bit. Okay, the next person I'm gonna take is the next person. You guys, so many. Dimple, Anjali, Surbi, Kiran. None of you are sharers. Please go ahead and share this. Rohan, Buddhi Raja, Priya Kumari. All of you are not sharers. I'm sorry. Jyoti, Please go ahead and share this video on all your groups. If you're a sharer, I'm likely to take your question. Not everyone can, I can't take everyone, so I'm bound to make some people, I'm bound to make some people really upset. Oh, people on YouTube are also writing Dal Pakwan. I did 5D healing with you, and ma'am, you look so cute. Thank you. I never thought that I'm cute, I had some stupid complex for many, many years. Like I had this some crazy, batshit crazy thing in my head. And yeah, so thank you. Thank you for the compliment. So guys, okay, I'm gonna look at what this one's saying. I get a lot of people saying Dal Pakwan. I think Dal Pakwan is the winner today. Sindhi Kadhi is not the winner, Dal Pakwan. I have people on YouTube, I have people here, everywhere saying Dal Pakwan. We voted for Dal Pakwan. So Dal Pakwan is the winner of the best Sindhi dish. Some people are just joining and are wondering, ये क्या था? ये numerology है या Sindhi food के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? I'm just embracing my Sindhiness, guys. I'm drinking the most amazing mango milkshake, which I have every day, which I love during mango season. And I think it's a lot of rubbish when people say that mango has a lot of heat, It doesn't. I was watching a video. I forgot the guy's name. He's some kind of influencer, someone. And he said, mango doesn't have any excess heat. So don't worry about it. Just have fun with mango. So I've been eating so much mango, but I also work out. So. Okay, the next person that I'm going to take. Okay, Dhanalakshmi says, just now you told about the candle. I'm staying in Oman. One of my friends is in Bangalore. Can she come and give candles on behalf of me? Yes, darling, I think you misunderstood some of the stuff I said. We're going to have a short video just from this video that I'm going to repaste here and on the temple page and everywhere. I'm also going to say that a lot of people ask me about 5D healing, participating in candle service. Just join the 5D healing group. There is a group for people who participate in 5D healing and in candle service. Join that group. It has some 900 members on it. It's a Telegram group. If you scroll down on my page, you'll find a link for the 5D healing group. Just join that. Just click there. This YouTube thing looks so pathetic. The camera is so bakwas. मुझे ना शर्म आ रहा है बोल के ये मेरा वीडियो है. बहुत शर्म आ रहा है. I think I'm going to like end it. है ना? YouTubers, if you want to watch me on this show, like I feel I'm looking somewhere, like looking London, going Tokyo. Like when you're like टेढ़ा, आप देख रहे हो, like I think iPhone has like the perfect camera. Like when you look at yourself also, वो camera आपको देख रहा है ठीक से. This phone has some, इसको पता नहीं कोई प्रेत आत्मा चली गई उसके अंदर. So it's so bad. I'm looking here, but I'm looking somewhere else. All my viewers are going to think ये टेढ़ा देखती है. So I'm going to end this video, guys. Sorry, YouTubers. This is really bad camera. I apologize. Sincerely apologize. So you can jump on to either Instagram or Facebook. I'm live here. There are 5 people here. So I'm just going to end this video. I don't even know how to end it. Shian, can you help me end it? Can you help me end this video? She says it's good. She says it's good. Okay, we're just going to leave it be. Yeah, we're going to leave it be. हम लोग इसको छेड़ेंगे नहीं. Okay, here. My poor Facebook camera is becoming teda. Okay. The next person I'm gonna take is okay, a lot of people are sending me their messages. You're not a top fan or a sharer. So please contact the office if you want to get your element analysis done. It's a lot more detail, guys. It's a lot more detail. All right. In fact, I even shared an image of it on the 5D healing group. And all the people who want to get 5D healing, you can join that group. Okay. The next person that I'm going to take is... Quickly send me a message, guys. I'm waiting. I'm not scrolling back. Gargi says, I was watching you on YouTube and didn't like it as you were facing sideways. See, but I feel like I'm teda. And then you are not paying attention. Yes, Facebook is a lot better. One second. Shian, can you fix this? This one. Okay, you just have to post it on this. Yeah, take this. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Kanchan Kanak Makhija. I'm gonna take you, but I don't have your details. Where is your details? I'm not getting to see your details. Kanchan Kanak Makhija. Quickly, Kanchan, send me your details right now. Now. Durlabh Sharma. Send me your details, darling. Quickly. Ma'am, are my messages visible? Yes, they are. Prashant, you haven't shared this. You're not a sharer, so I'm not likely to take your question. Anchal Tanani. Anchal, send me your date of birth, time of birth. It doesn't help if you'll send me your messages. Send me your details, guys. Quickly, with your date of birth and your time of birth. Shian, be alert. I'm sending you. Okay, Anchal Tanani, please send me your date of birth, time of birth. Hi guys, on Instagram, we have a limit of 1 hour. So Instagram has a way of reminding us that it's 1 hour. Okay, I'm waiting for details from Anchal Tanani. Meanwhile, if there's anyone who has a general question that you want me to answer. Today we did a very interesting, a very interesting 5D healing, and it was really intense. Today we help people release ancestral curses and curses in general, psychic attack, and nazar. And a lot of people feel that nazar and psychic attack and all of these things don't exist. They do exist, and only when you go through it you kind of know the effect or the repercussions of how they pan out in your life. So one of the best measures of removing psychic attack, ancestral curses, is to do bay leaf ritual. Alright, we also have a group on Facebook for bay leaf ritual. We also have a 5D healing Facebook group. So guys, you can join there as well. I've heard that 1, 5 and 6 are magical numbers in numerology. Yes, 1, 5 and 6. 1, 3, 5 and 6 are magical numbers in numerology. It is, they're actually very lucky numbers. People who are born under any one of these numbers are really lucky, and they already have the support of really good planets. It's like being born in something, like being born in wealth, or being born in in a Bollywood family. Like you already have that advantage, people already know you. So 1, 3, 5 and 6 are planetary energies that always support you anyway. So it's lucky, it's awesome, good for you. But there are people who have negative numbers. For those people, numerology is so important, because you can't change someone's date of birth, but you can definitely change their name. So you kind of make up for that kitch of the date of birth, you make up for it in the name. Okay, what is the name of the temple that you mentioned in Koromangala? It's called the Temple of Miracles. Okay, Vidya says, do we need to change it in all government documents? No, darling, only on social media, and you need to write it down for 108 days, 108 times. Okay, Shikha Bhargava. Hers is 8/9/1982. Shian. 8th of September 1982, 3:35 a.m. Shikha Bhargava. See, so I'm doing the numerology and he's doing the element analysis. So cool, right? And yeah, people can opt to get 8th of September 1982. So you're at 8 and 1, alright? And time of birth is 3:35 a.m. So Shikha, your date of birth itself is like you have India-Pakistan war happening in your date of birth because you have two enemy. Wood is self-element, so money is earth. So your self-element, Shikha, filled with yang. So I don't know if you get good sleep or no, or your mind is very restless and you're very, very impatient. So wood is your self-element and earth is your wealth element. So it's very good for you to buy land, invest in real estate. Awesome for you. Go ahead and do that. Also wear crystals. Weak earth is carrying any stone from anywhere, but strong earth is wearing a crystal. So wear tiger's eye, wear black tourmaline. Those will strengthen your earth element. And for wood element, you can also wear a wooden bracelet or wear green chaddi, or you can wear brown chaddi as well for wealth element to be strong. Alright, so the colors for earth is brown, so you can wear brown chaddi. Yes, it's only on this platform somebody will tell you wear brown chaddi, green chaddi, blue chaddi, whatever. But yeah, I do that to a lot of people. I tell them change your chaddis, change your life. I should create a caption like that, no? Change your life with your chaddi. Like create magic in your life with chaddis. Something like that. Okay, now I forgot who I was reading for. What was her name? What was her name, Shian? I forgot. I have 1 MB memory space, so I forget everything like that. But when I see her name, I will remember. What was her name, Shian? Like, how did I just forget who I was reading for? Okay, I'm going to do Manisha Bisani now. Okay, you're 27/8/1984. So you're a 9 and 3 combination. I hope you're still here because I scrolled back and found your details. You're a 9 and 3 combination, and it seems like you always get into conflicts very easily, very, very easily, and you struggled a lot, and you seem to be bearing the brunt of things that are not your fault. Can you relate to that, Manisha Bisani? Your name does not work for you. Does not work for you. It's like pulling you down, dragging you down. Your name is especially dragging you down. Your date of birth isn't bad, darling. Just gets you into a lot of conflict, but your name is dragging you down. So I'm going to suggest a name correction for you, Manisha. I also think you need to chill a bit and stop being so idealistic. Stop being so, like standing up for Satyagraha and like in Insaf Ki Devi. Mat karo aisa. Is Manisha Bisani there? Vidya Rakesh says, just making one more clarification, only in social media have positive effect. Yes, darling. Because the name that you put on social media has the largest impact. Alright, because that's what's going out into the universe. Also, you need to change it, like if you're in business, you change it on your business cards, your letterheads, all these other places. Okay, so I'm going to take one last person today. I have time for one last person. The next top fan and sharer who's going to send their details now. And all the people who have been wondering why am I not a top fan, please go back to my page. Manisha Bisani. Okay, hold on. She wants her element chart. I can't find her details now. It's lost. It's lost. Guys, do you know how many messages I get? Like 6,000 messages, 9,000 messages. So I don't know where Manisha Bisani's message went. Please keep this in the fridge. It's become like chai. The mango milkshake turned into garam chai. What is this? Your chaddi remedies are always lit. Kya hai ye lit? I mean, I think it's a like, what is it, Sheelaa? What does lit mean? Like, I don't know, like this younger generation of people in their 20s, 30s say lit. और मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है क्या है lit. It's I think like some new term. You know, that day a friend of mine, something she was writing, okay, I sent her like pictures of my workout video, and then she says, you look greasy, you look something and slim and greasy. So I just kept quiet. I said, must be some new word. पता नहीं कोई फैशन इंडस्ट्री से कोई नया वर्ड होगा. ग्रीसी मुझे नहीं पता. तो कोई मेरे से पूछेगा तो मैं बोलूँगी तुम्हें ग्रीसी नहीं पता. ग्रीसी, it's like a new term, it's like a new thing, like lit. I don't know, like what do these kids say? Shian's messages have lel, L-E-L. क्या है ये lel? Laughing even louder, not laugh out loud. Laughing even louder. Lit means cool. Oh, cool.
Like lit, the streets are lit.
Oh, see, I'm learning. Crazy ना? So that's why I said. फिर मैंने उससे कुछ पूछा नहीं. Then she said, sorry, typo. फिर मैंने सोचा, oh. So when she said ना greasy, I thought, wow, like I learned a new word. पता नहीं कोई fashion industry में, like she's in the makeup industry. So मैंने सोचा कि कोई नया word होगा, millennial term. Lit is savvy, like hot stuff. Thank you guys for educating me. Thank you. मुझे नहीं समझ में आता lit. Lit is like fadu. Like how many people have different synonyms for lit, isn't it? So cool. Okay, what are karmic numbers? Your number 9 is a karmic number. It's very, very karmic in nature. Okay, Manisha Bisani is 27/8/1984. Shian, 27/8/1984. Where did she go? Here. I'm gonna pin it. Pin comment. 27/8/1984, 3:53 p.m. I have to tell everyone who's listening, who's got their money element, this is not all. There is so much written in your money element, like what you should do, what you should not do. Like there's a lot of info in your money element chart. Sorry?
Male, female?
She's female, Manisha. So,
Water.
self element water. So your self element is water, Manisha. Just like me, your money element is fire, which is red. So your lucky wealth color is red. Wear a lot of red, you'll make tons of money. For sure. Mendirata Kamal. Sorry, I don't end up taking Instagram because there are very few people on Instagram. It's like I'll have 500, 700 people here, right now 400, and then I'll have 10 people there. So if I take even one message there, then it feels so unfair. Then all the Facebook people will jump onto Instagram and say, अच्छा इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज लेती है, सिर्फ 10 लोग का कंपटीशन होता है. Okay, so Manisha, does she have any missing elements? Missing elements.
Earth.
Okay, Manisha, the problem with your chart is you have a missing element of earth. So you'll have to wear some crystal. I'm going to suggest you wear a tiger's eye. You could also, does she have any other missing elements? No. Okay, earth. So till you, like you can wear blue, you can wear red, you can do all that. But if you don't have earth on your body, it could be actual earth. Problem with people who need to wear water and fire more, you can't walk around with one candle or you can't walk around with one cup of water, right? So, so that's why for earth it's easy because you have, at least you can carry a stone. So that's easy. Okay, so guys, I had time for like one last and I did Manisha's money element. Thank you guys for watching. Do you also analyze astrology chart like numerology to check in case of conflict? Well, I do numerology name corrections. I do some analysis to the chart, but I don't give any analysis, prediction, nothing. I analyze your chart for the sake of correcting your name. I don't do it for the sake of prediction or anything. I usually have a guideline with my element chart, and for people who have questions, Manisha, I suggest wear some more earth, wear black tourmaline. It will ground you a little more. All right. I tell people to do their element chart so they know what their lucky element is if there's anything missing there. And then I tell people who have questions to get their tarot read by Ekta, Janki or Riya, because a lot of people have questions and that is not addressed in a numerology session. A tarot session basically is for questions when you're stuck, when you're on crossroads, when you're, really like, you're kind of just confused, and when you have a repeat pattern in your life again and again and again. Numerology is what you should do. You should get your name correction done, because really it happens once in a lifetime, and you sort of override the bad effects of your date of birth. Like, even if there's some gadbad happening in your astrology somewhere, if you strengthen your planets in your numerology, it helps a lot. All right. And then in your numerology report, we also check what phase are you running. Are you running a bad phase? Are you running a good phase? And we recommend a remedy according to that. Okay. Anchal Tanani, money element, please. Go ahead and send me your date of birth, darling. People will not, they'll just, ma'am, mera kar dijiye. Yes, Anchal. I'm going to do yours. Like, you're the last person I'm going to do now. Quickly, send me your details. Anchal Tanani. Sorry, Madhuri, money element analysis is only done for people who are top fan and sharers. Anchal, she says, should I lose hope, ma'am, as you took my name? अरे लड़की जल्दी से भेज, जल्दी से. Okay, and while I wait for Anchal's details, there are lots of people who wonder what is that one thing that I can do that I can start seeing a change. Go to my YouTube channel and make sure that you follow the meditation. Do the chakra meditation every single day and you will see a change for sure. Because when your spiritual body, when your chakras, when your energy body is really strong, it's like you've got like a full tank of petrol, and then you start to power everything in your life. The problem usually comes is because you're starved of energy. That's why you need crystals and this remedy and that healing and that thing, because you're actually energetically starved. So if you want to like do something that's actually free, go ahead and do the meditation. All right. And okay, I'm waiting for Anchal Tanani's messages. Guys, I'm really sorry. I know a lot of people get upset because they wait for their turn, but there are a ton of people who, write to us. There are like 6,000 messages. There's no way on a live video I can do 6,000 messages. All right. I always say that if you're a sharer, I'm likely to take your question because I'll pick only sharers. And if I'm doing money element, I end up doing it only for, okay. I'll end up doing it only for top fan and sharers. Quickly, Anchal, I'm trying to like wait for you and your message, and I can't see. Pallavi, I know you're trying to send me her message, but I don't. When you say here, you're replying to her message, but I can't see it. I can't see her details. Anchal Tanani, 9th December, Shian. 9th December 1972. 9th December 1972, 7:46 a.m. Now I'm really tired. Really tired. Yes, guys, and if you couldn't get in touch with us, please contact my office.
Male or female?
Female, 7:46 a.m. 9th December 1972. Okay, Priyanka has a question, says what is included in an elementary reading? Okay, that's an element chart reading. What is her self element? Wood. Okay, your self element is wood.
Fire and metal missing.
And you have a fire and metal missing. So you need to wear metal on your body. Make sure you wear a kada, make sure you wear jewelry, gold, silver, hematite, pyrite, all of that. and what else is missing? Metal and
Metal and fire.
fire is missing. So you need to also wear red. All right. So whenever you have a missing element in your chart, it doesn't allow you to get the wealth that you're supposed to get. And what is your? She's wood, right? So her money element is earth, right? Money element is earth. Yeah, your money element is earth, darling. मुझे ना ये सब अपने दिमाग में रखना होता है. बहुत मुश्किल है. Like to when we figure out this whole chart, super. Okay. So I have someone asking me a question here. It's a general question. I'm gonna answer that. I want to share. You should convince me to do that. Sorry guys, I'm not here to convince anyone to share. Excel says no use, seriously, thanks, waste of sharing. You're not even a sharer, darling. You're not even a sharer. And so many sharers and top fans have had readings here. Guys, look at the bright side. At some point, someday, you'll get your chance. Okay, I had a person who's asking me here what is included in an element chart. An element chart is you get to know your self element, you get to know your money element, you get to know your missing element, which is very important. You get to know at what period in your life, what phase you will go through, which means when are you going to go through like a money phase or a jackpot phase in your life? What industry should you invest in? Very soon we'll be having more detailed reports that will be out, which will be like very comprehensive and detailed reports. Like if you have hidden money in your chart, sometimes you may not have a money element in your chart, like in your time period or in your basic chart, but you may have a hidden element of money. How will you earn your wealth? Okay, there's a sort of like a fate element where you get to know how will you earn your wealth. Like for me, it will be earned through land and something. And then for my husband, it says a windfall of money. So for every person, it is very different on how you will earn your wealth. All right. Yes, Samir got his chance after 5 months. Am I coming tomorrow online? I don't know. मुझे से लग रहा है कि बहुत saturation हो गया है. I might do a session on parenting. I've been asking people if I should. I'm going to do a session on how to deal with your children. I might do that tomorrow. All right. If any of you want to be a part of that session, make sure you come live. It's going to be a thing on parenting. Okay, what points to keep in mind to name a baby? I love these kind of questions. Guys, ask questions like this which help everyone. So when you, first of all, your baby's date of birth is so important. So important. Okay, but I'm going to take that question a little later. Okay, Pavan, I'm going to take your question. What are the points to consider while naming a baby? First thing is, you got to make sure that the baby's date of birth is great. So if you have an option of a C-section, a lot of people have an option of choosing a C-section date. I strongly suggest all parents, if you have an option for a C-section date, make sure that you get a baby date of birth selection done. All right, that's a service we do in our center, very much like the name correction. We take the mother's details, we take the father's details, and we do a compatibility, and we see numerologically what date is more favorable for your baby to come into this world, where he'll be ruled by good planets, not by chance, but we choose it. Both my sons, I chose their date of birth because they were both C-sections. So you can choose your baby's date of birth if it's a C-section. So if it's an elective C-section, you should choose the date of birth because you can make sure that your child is ruled by good planets. And that's an advantage that you're giving your kid. All right, so it's not a bad thing, it's a good thing. The second thing that you want to do is when you naming your baby, you want to have at least 3 name options and make sure that the meaning is really good. Please don't name your children with negative meanings. All right, don't give them angry meanings. Don't give them meanings that make their energy very halwa and like really bakwas. So make sure you choose strong names, but not like very angry and names with a lot of rage. The meaning should be very pleasant and very positive. The third thing you want to do is get a numerology name correction done. Sometimes people also want the astrological alphabet. We also take that into consideration. We have another professional who chooses that it's an extra service done. But some people want the alphabet, the k, ka, ki, ku, ka, la, li, da, di, whatever, according to the nakshatra and the astrology. So we also help you with that. But it is, according to numerology, according to my opinion, it's not necessary. But if people want it, we have that service in our center, so you can opt for that as well. But I always suggest, please do the numerology of your small children, of your babies. You know, even if they're just born, they're not gone to school yet, their brain development activates, and like how, you know, that's the time the brain's developing. You need to be connected to good planets, so that those planets are favoring you in that period when you're learning, when you're developing, when you're growing, all of that. Okay, so I'm going to suggest that to all people. How to connect offline for a one-to-one session? Please call my office 9900120034. Gautam says, how can we contact to order comprehensive chart elements? You can call my office, darling. All of that information is available. 9900120034. So should I keep Earth with me? Yes, Anchal, you should. Shivani, all of that information is available with my office, and you should be getting a mail from them. You can also contact admin@sheela.com, and you'll get a mail of all the charges and everything, the fee, everything. What points do we keep? Okay, I already got that. Any other general questions? One session on mother-in-law. Arre baap re, such a controversial topic. Controversial, guys. I save your videos so that I can see them, and I'm totally free, and they're so good and knowledgeable. Sonam, you can watch them on YouTube. I put all my videos on YouTube, so you can watch it from there as well. Pallavi says 7,400 comments. Just stay for 10 more minutes. We will break all previous records. Arre baap re. 7,400. Yeah, imagine like how much I'm dyslexic, and imagine how many comments I have to read here. Yes, Samir, I was talking about Ashanti last time. There was someone who my sister knew who was called Ashanti. I think her parents didn't know the meaning. Okay. I'm going to answer two more general questions. Shikha Bhargava, guide me on what things I can do for I think it's for your son who has delays in his milestone. I'm going to suggest a bunch of things, but I first would suggest a numerology name correction. Please mention when you're getting the correction done that he has developmental delays. There are a bunch of things we have in our center with different professionals who do different things for people with developmental delays. All right, we do have a lot of stuff. Okay, ma'am, how to increase concentration in kids, especially in these situations? Okay, concentration in kids. This is a wonderful question. A lot of people want to know how to increase concentration in their kids. Your kids need focus to do well in studies, to grow effectively in their life for whatever they're doing, to channel that potent energy there. Children are so hyper. Haven't you guys noticed? They have a ton of energy, but it's just not being used in the right direction. So one of the first things that you want to do is make sure that your child doesn't have, any kind of bad energy in their aura. So please make them do salt bath. If they don't agree to do salt bath, use BMR soap to give them a bath. The next thing that I'm going to suggest is two of my magic formulas. Okay, Infinite Wisdom Spray and Master Key Spray. Phenomenal for children. Third thing, make sure the northeast corner of your house is clean, swatch. Okay, super clean, and no clutter there, no bathroom there, no washing machine there, no load there, no staircase, no kind of heavy object. It should be clean, saaf suthra. Keep a globe and a pagoda there. Keep also an amethyst crystal there. All right, if you have a higher budget, you can keep a pyramid there. These are energy generator pyramids, so this should activate the concentration and all of that for your kid. You can also make your child wear an amethyst You can also keep an amethyst next to your child's bedside. This is all good for concentration. Last but not the least, if you've ever heard about access bars, get a session for your child. All right, get a session done by a practitioner. We have so many access bars practitioner in our center. We have like, I think about 5 people who run bars in our center. My son was the only one who ran bars in our center. Shian was the only one. Then there's Raghavendra, there's Riya, there's Janki and Varun. There are 5 people who run bars in our center. And still, like, I mean, now we don't have, you know, personal sessions, but get your child's bars run. It was a game changer for Shian, and I can promise you as a parent, wherever you are, whichever city you are in, find an access bars facilitator or a practitioner and get your child's bars run. Or learn it and do it for your kid yourself. Okay, this should help kids focus better. I am going to say we also have something called fingerprint analysis in our center. Once the lockdown opens up, Sanjesh in our center does fingerprint analysis, and there's a program that we have for children called Super Brain Program. All of this can just rewire your kid and make your child like one whole new improved version. But it's also going to activate other things. So suddenly your child might become super smart in something else, and their ability, because this is activation of your child's ability and energy. So if your child is meant to do something better, he may not study physics and chemistry if you want him to study physics and chemistry. Yeah, he may study what he wants to study. Activating the brain could even be activating something in him that you and he did not know existed. So be prepared for that, guys. I am not just going to increase like, oh, वो engineer बन जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा, ठीक है? So that was that. Shivani says, I'm a 9 and 9, so very sure I need a name correction. For sure. And all of you guys who don't end up becoming top fan or sharers, please like this page. If you haven't liked this page, it will, you don't get to be a top fan or sharer. Please stay on for 12 more minutes. This will be record long live. अरे यार, मुझे आज ना सर में दर्द हो रहा है. Actually, I have a migraine right now as we speak. Can you believe? Like a migraine right now as we speak. Okay, your son is very hyperactive and gets aggressive very easily. I'm going to suggest bark flower therapy for your son Sonam Bhargava Agarwal. Bark flower therapy. Ekta, Janki and Riya do bark flower therapy in my center. They are phenomenal. They also read cards. All the people who are asking, I want to be makeup artist, will I be successful? Arjun Sharma, please get a tarot card reading. Okay. Okay, how to keep calm when people shout on you without knowing anything. I'm going to ask you to walk away. You know, when people scream at you without knowing anything or without, like, unsolicited, honor yourself and walk away. You don't need to scream back. You don't need to say anything. Walk away. Cut cords and walk away. Ignoring someone when they scream at you is probably the best thing to do to preserve your energy. Screaming back, shouting back is a way of defending yourself and sort of fighting back, and that really, really doesn't work. Because at the end of it, it doesn't make you feel better. It makes you feel worse. So walk away. Like, shut the door on them. Get out of there. Block them on phone. Block them wherever. They should be making the effort when they realize and after they calm down. So honoring yourself is the first thing. Please listen to my podcast for that. Someone saying, I'm trying to break records of 8,900 comments. Arre baap re. Crazy, yeah. You guys are simply crazy. How to stop nightmares in toddlers. They usually wake up at night crying hysterically. Okay, so the first thing, Ishani, is please nazar utaro for your kid. Alright, Ishani? Nazar utaro. Like, ask your maid to do it. Wo chili, salt, and wo jhadu ka stick ke saath. They do that little thing. No, aise karte, ulta karte. So please do that. It's very effective. No tarot card reader or healer will tell you, because they'll have more exotic, like I have BLR or bay leaf ritual. But even simple techniques are respectable. Like, even though we do like bay leaf ritual, which is the BAP, it's like the Rolls Royce of nazar utaro. But it's not that nazar utaro is not effective. Yeah, it's something better than nothing. So please do it, and it will help your child. Make your child wear an amulet or a taviz for protection. Nothing will happen. And if you do believe, please go to a dargah. people who, children who have these nightmares, take them to a dargah. I mean, Ajmer Sharif is like my favorite place to go. I mean, I don't usually talk about faiths and all that here, but I talk about Temple of Miracles. But I'll tell you about my faith. I'm not forcing you to follow what I follow. See, I'm not forcing anyone to follow what I follow. Okay, Ajmer Sharif is my favorite place. But take him to dargah and it really does help. Okay. Okay, how many times can we do candle service for the same wish? I'm gonna say that light a candle, put a prayer request, light candles as often as you want. But Papa Elegua is very clear that he's not selling a wish. So it's like a prayer. You pray, you ask for it, it'll happen if it's in your highest good. Please remember, there are some people, like including myself, there is a certain something I could have prayed for, but it may not be in my highest good. So it won't happen. All right? Be very, very, aware of that. Okay, Sneha Kalia says her date of birth is something 2016. She's very aggressive. Please get bark flower therapy for her, Sneha, for your daughter. For children who are very aggressive, please get bark flower therapy. And we're going to do a children's special perhaps tomorrow. If I don't have a migraine, I'm going to do a children's special tomorrow. How to handle children, what can you do for tantrums. And me and Shian are going to do this session together. All right, I've already committed. Shian, we're going to do this session together. Yes, he says yes.
What session?
Parenting and how to handle children and stuff like that. Okay, so what to do if your kid dreams a lot? That's fine as long as they're not bad dreams, and take care of the energy of the house. Children are the most vulnerable to bad energy. I'm going to tell this to all parents. Children have the spongiest energies. Okay, I tell a lot of every person who comes for a baby name correction, you know what I recommend to them? Get a shielding chakra. Get tavis. Use BMR soap yourself. You've come for your baby's name correction and I tell the parent, please use BMR soap. Why? Because if you have a small baby in your house, you are getting angry, you are stressed, you are working and coming, you are having fights because you have a small baby, and your child is absorbing all the crap, dirty, kakada poo, kich energy. Okay? The most gentle soul or whatever in the house is the one absorbing everything. So if you don't have pets in the house, your baby is absorbing everything. If you have pets in the house, they are absorbing everything. If you have fish in the house, they will absorb it and they will die. So guys, it's your choice. Keep pets in the house. If you keep a dog, the dog will become very dull and they absorb everything. Keep a cat transmutes the energy like that. If you keep a cat, the cat is like an energy vacuum cleaner. They will pull all your child's nazar, all your kachra energy, and nothing happens to them. Nothing. They'll just sleep. If your cat is sleeping a lot, it's because you have lots of ganda energy in your house. And your aura is very, very ganda. And the person who needs the most healing in the house is who the cat will go and sleep next to. Remember that. Okay, the person in need of that energy the most. Because cats really don't have a master. So the person they go and sleep next to the most is the person who needs the energy vacuum cleaning the most. And that would be Shian, I think, in our house. Because Nikki goes and sleeps only next to him and she'll go and lick only him. And now she goes and now she sleeps next to my husband. So she just chooses people who she sleeps next to. Okay. Okay, I'm scrolling. Something to keep beside pillow. Please keep an amethyst. Keep a salt rock. That's really awesome. Okay guys, I think I'm done. Okay, Disha says, I'm suffering from depression, severe insomnia, any solution? I'm going to suggest you consult with one of our tarot card readers, get a reading done and get bark flower therapy done. Preeti says, I too believe in Ajmer Dargah. Yes, it's my magical place. So get bark flower therapy for emotional issues, depression, insomnia, anything. Bark flower is amazing, Disha. Please consult Ekta Janki or Riya. Lots of people asking me questions. Guys, please consult Ekta Janki Riya for your questions. Otherwise, you can just call the office and get a numerology with me. Yes, we're going to do a children's session tomorrow. Oh, so many messages. I feel like I'm super slow and hi there, what's this channel about? Okay, we're almost at the end of it, so sorry, you're super late, but you can check, you can like the page. Guys, anyone who's chanced upon this video, make sure you like the page, make sure you share it. And when our team notices the highest number of sharers, we remember your name, like in the previous video. And even today, the people that I took are people who have shared it before, so your chances of getting a reading increase because your name becomes super familiar. Alright, thank you guys for watching. We're going to do a children's special tomorrow. If any of you couldn't get a name analysis, if any of you just want to jump in for a name correction, you're most welcome to. I'm going to tell you for sure, if your name doesn't need a correction, we don't faltu mein do it. We will just deduct a name analysis fee and refund you the remaining money. Alright, so you can opt for a name correction service. You can also consult with me on the phone, so you get a name correction report and you get to talk to me on the phone. Don't do that because that's just double the cost, or rather that's the exact cost, but when you don't get to talk to me, it's half the price. All right, and I think I just confused all of you. So basically there's a consult fee when you consult me on the phone, and you get a name correction report and you get to talk to me. What I'm going to suggest people to do is only opt for a correction only service where you don't really get to talk to me, but you get your report. Because the main thing is the name correction, not so much talking to me. You get to listen to me every day doing badbad on this live video. Okay? So just get the name correction report done. That's the most value service that we have available. How to use dream catchers? Just put it somewhere in the room. Bas. Okay guys, I'm super tired now. Good night, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye guys. I love you all. Tomorrow what time? I'm gonna try to do 11 o'clock, but I don't promise. Try to do 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock tomorrow. I love you all. Bye-bye. And I'll announce it on my Facebook page. And for the people who are on Facebook, I post a lot of interesting links on Instagram. So you can like my Instagram as well, at Sheelaa M Bajaj. Alright? Yes, I'm going to try and come early tomorrow. Bye guys. Good night. Contact my office, sheela.com, 9900120034. मैं ना नींद में भी बोल सकती हूँ ये. Bye guys.